Real men take care of themselves so that they can take care of those around them, and they need a healthcare provider that understands them. Men, we've all been there. You had, shall we say, an encounter, and you weren't as careful as you could have been. You might not have any symptoms, but that does not mean that you're in the clear. Man Centers offers the ultimate set of comprehensive STD tests that gives you the peace of mind that you need. There are many different STDs, some of which have visible symptoms and some which do not. We test for herpes, chlamydia, gonorrhea, trichomonas, HPV, HIV, syphilis, chancroid, and molluscum contagiosum. Our team also will be able to identify the great pretenders, fungal infections, skin abrasions and traumas, and insect bites, which have the appearance of an STD but need an entirely different kind of treatment. If you're experiencing any kind of unusual discharge, you may have chlamydia, gonorrhea, or trichomonas. If that's the case, both partners need to be treated for 10 days, by which point the discharge should stop. Syphilis and chancroid are treated with antibiotics, and HPV, also known as genital warts, are treated by removing the lesions themselves. Our understanding of HIV has increased exponentially in recent years, and in most cases, the combinations of drugs is able to support the immune system and successfully contain what was once a life-threatening virus. While herpes has no cure, we can prescribe treatments that will shorten the symptoms when they do develop and prevent outbreaks. Unprotected sex puts you and your partner at the risk of transmission, and you can pass an STD even if you yourself are showing no symptoms. To protect yourself and your partner, be sure to use condoms, which completely prevents transmissions of the majority of STDs and reduces the transmission risk of the remaining few. Oral genital contact can carry the risk of transmission of herpes, especially if a cold sore is present. And don't believe everything you read online. Aside from molluscum, you're not going to be passing anything on by just sharing towels and sheets. If you're worried about anything, come in and see us. When it comes to healthcare, real men don't just ignore their problems. They get help from the one place that they can be sure to understand their needs.
The Y Factor, dedicated to men's urological wellness. Schedule your appointment at mancenters.com.